Welcome to Medhavy Hub, your platform to access and interact with AI-powered textbooks. Click Create Account, enter your username, email address, and password, then continue. A verification code will arrive at your email. Copy the 6-digit code, return to the site, and verify your email to finish sign-up. Sign in to reach your personal dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see quick stats, my textbooks pending, approved, and can request, plus the textbooks available to you. Right now there are 2, Physics Volume 1 and Cancer Biology. To begin, click Request Access on each textbook you want. Our team approves requests promptly. When approval is granted, you'll see Access Granted, and the blue Open Textbook button becomes active. Click it to enter the textbook. Inside the textbook, the left sidebar lists all chapters and sections, so you can jump directly to any topic. Use the search box or press Ctrl+K to find concepts instantly across the book. Each chapter reads like a modern online textbook with clear headings, figures, equations, and definitions, but with intelligent tools layered on top. The key feature is the built-in AI assistant panel on the right. Think of it as Ask This Textbook. As you study a section, type a question in the prompt bar, anything from explain impulse to summarize DNA replication. The AI answers using the active chapter as context, and it shows the sources it used so you can trust and verify the response. You can ask follow-up questions without losing context. The assistant remembers the conversation thread within the chapter. When you need deeper clarity, ask for step-by-step derivations, simpler explanations, or real-world analogies. For equations, request variable definitions or a worked example using your own numbers. When you want a quick recap, say, give me a 3-bullet summary of this section. If you're preparing for practice, ask the AI to generate concept check questions and then request concise answer keys. You can also ask it to compare nearby sections, point you to where a term first appears, or highlight common misconceptions. The assistant provides helpful extras. Related question suggestions appear as one-click chips beneath the answer, so you can keep exploring. Thumbs up and thumbs down let you rate responses to improve future answers. And for medical content, you'll see a clear educational use disclaimer alongside the explanation. You can switch between textbooks from the top bar to return to the hub at any time. In Physics Volume 1, use the assistant to unpack diagrams and formulas. For example, walk me through the impulse equation and show units, or connect impulse to momentum with an example like a tennis ball hit. In Cancer Biology, explore structured topics such as DNA structure, mutations, and genomic instability. Ask, summarize this subsection in plain language. Explain base bearing. Or what are common errors students make when thinking about replication? Every chapter becomes an interactive study session, reliable textbook content on the page with real-time AI support at your side. You control the pace, skim a section, ask a question, follow the suggested prompts, and loop back to the text with stronger understanding. That's the Medhavy Hub experience. Create your account, request access, open your textbook, and learn faster with an AI assistant that cites its sources, remembers your context, and helps you master each chapter, one clear answer at a time.